Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be discussing the pitfalls sometimes of searching for innocent things online and what to do if you get hijacked. In this particular case, we're doing a search here for recipe for lasagna. Next minute, bam, what comes up? Virus alert from Microsoft. This computer is blocked. Don't close this window. Your computer registration is blocked, and they go through all this garbage. And don't close this window, it's important. The biggest thing to do is how you treat this in the first 20-30 seconds is important. You don't want to hit the X, you don't want to hit the OK. Whatever you do, if you touch any part of this, you could infect yourself. And at this point, you're not actually infected, and you can control the situation. Very quickly, Control, Alt, and Delete. Control-Alt-Delete brings up this, and you're going to go to your Task Manager. And as soon as we're at your Task Manager, what we want to do is go to the offending browser that you're using, highlight it, and then hit End Task. That clears it out, and the next thing you want to do is you want to do a disk cleanup by typing in disk cleanup. In your search, it's going to pop up. You mainly want to do your temporary internet files. You're going to click on OK and delete files. That's going to get rid of the pop-up from your temporary internet folder. So how you treat that initially is going to prevent you from getting a virus. If you're not sure of what to do, if you have a situation, whatever you do not phone the number that's on the screen, and do not hit the X. I'm Roland with Impress Computers. Give us a call, 281-647-9977.